Yes. So the next is assignment operator. So for assignment operator, it's pretty simple. Now what I want to do is, okay, I want see the name itself says assignment operator. We have seen already. Let's say where name equal to Sagar, I say, and in that case this is assignment operator. This is an assignment operator. So what I want to do is, like, I have a number, where number equal to, I want to multiply this to the same number and assign it to the same number. Okay, like this. I can do it like this, where into equal to number. So what this does is, this actually means number equal to number into number. Okay, this is assignment operator. So we use an arithmetic operator and we use an assignment operator over there. So this becomes number into number. Like such, I can use plus, I can use minus, I can use anything. Now using this knowledge, now you guys tell me, what does this do? What is this equivalent to? Yes? $11. Right. So this is actually equal to number plus plus. Right? So number plus plus does the same thing, which is equivalent to again number plus 1, which is again equivalent to number equal to number plus 1. Right? Yes? Number equal to number plus 1. So yeah, this is assignment operator. Like assignment operator, we can apply it on all the arithmetic operators. Then use equal to, so that it gets appended to itself, or it gets added to itself, or multiplied by itself. So it's all about that. I can do this also. And now I'll say where number 2, let's say number 2 equal to 2. Then I'll say number minus equal to number 2. Now what does this give? What result does it give? Now tell me after every operation here. Just follow the operations, every operation. Now tell me what operation. Yes? Eight. Okay. You say, Taufik, what's your answer? 10 minus 2. No, I say every operation. Start it from here. Number equal to 10, right? So the next is number into equal to number. Then the next is number plus equal to 1. Then the number equal to number plus 1. Then this, then this. Now tell me everything. Consider every operation over there. Yeah, sure. I'm waiting. Yes. Now let's go ahead and do in the browser itself. Alright, so let's write a program or okay, let's do it here. The answer. And here the answer, and here the answer, and here the answer, and this is the final answer. 21. Alright, this is 100. This is 101, 102, 103, and this is 101. Am I right? I thought you added it, right, Taufik? You added 10 plus 10, I guess. It's multiplication over there. Yeah, great. Fine. So yeah, that's assignment operators. Like it assigns, it does the arithmetic operation first, and then it assigns to the number itself. So we'll see when do we use this. This is like shorthand property for doing an arithmetic operation and then assigning. Like instead of writing 3 lines, see now we can do this in 3 lines. So instead of doing it in 3 lines, we can do it in one shot. So that's where programming. Always remember, programming is only for 2 things. You have to keep 2 things in mind while programming. First thing is reusable code. You should always write reusable code. The second thing is you got to think scalability, like how big this program can be turned so that the performance does not get decreased, or the performance should be intact, but it should scale. So when we think about the performance, yeah, it's always the logic. How big is our file size? Again, big in programming is number of lines. If the number of lines are more, then yeah, the file will be big. So keep that in mind. That's the reason the logic comes into the picture. You can statically write every code in HTML and just deploy it. But yeah, again, use logic to cut down the file size. So that's where these operators are very important, assignment operators. Okay, so that is assignment, and there is one more operator called condition operator. This is very important in terms of interviews. So if you go to interviews, yeah, people will definitely ask about this condition operator. It's pretty tricky actually. Okay, and let's see what it is. So the name itself says condition. Okay, so it depends upon a condition, like if else. So if this condition, then what? If it fails, then what? So it has 2 parts. One is the pass, okay, or success part and failure part. So remember, the condition operator has 2 parts, the success part and the failure part. So always a condition can have two values. The condition may be a success or the condition may be a failure. Okay, so success part or failure part. Let's see what exactly condition operator, how does it look like. So this is a condition operator here. You guys see here this symbol, the question mark and a colon. This is a condition operator. So right to the left hand side is a value, or let's say a result. Oops, I'm sorry, it's not result. This is condition. Okay, so here is a condition, here is the success part, and here is the failure part. Okay, so condition will always result in a true or false. So if the condition is true, it goes here. Okay, if the condition is false, it goes here. Okay, it all depends on the condition. So as we say, it's false or true, whatever it may be, but the condition operator has one more part, which is result equal to. So now the value of the result depends upon the condition. If the condition is true, the value of the result is this. If the condition is false, the value of the result is this. Okay, so if that's the reason there's a question mark here.